Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of NADH supplements to see if they actually boost your energy and brain function, or if it's all just another expensive way to have bright yellow pee. NADH is a natural compound your body already produces to help your cells turn food into energy, which is great because apparently the 4 cups of coffee you've already had still aren't doing the trick. People take it to improve focus, mood, and mental clarity, marketing it specifically toward those with demanding jobs or those who find basic adulting to be an Olympic sport. It's essentially fuel for your brain and muscles, aiming to reduce that soul-crushing fatigue we all know too well. Research suggests that NADH might protect your brain cells from the ravages of stress and aging, which is perfect for anyone whose brain feels like it's melting after 5 minutes of looking at a spreadsheet. Some users report feeling significantly more alert, making it a favorite for students and workaholics alike. It also plays a role in balancing brain chemicals to support your mood, though it's definitely not a replacement for actual medical treatment. It's more of a wellness addition for those who want to feel a little less like a zombie and a little more like a functioning human being. Athletes and gym rats also jump on the NADH bandwagon to improve stamina and speed up recovery times. Since it helps with cellular energy, it might help you survive that intense workout without feeling like you've been hit by a bus the next morning. Of course, results vary because our bodies are all uniquely uncooperative. You can find these in capsules or fast-dissolving tablets that you stick under your tongue for quick absorption, assuming you have the patience to let it sit there without chewing it immediately. The typical dose is a tiny 5 to 20 milligrams per day, and you'll definitely want to take it in the morning unless you enjoy staring at your ceiling at 3 a.m. contemplating every embarrassing thing you said in high school. Most people tolerate it well, but you might experience some mild side effects like a headache, an upset stomach, or feeling a bit jittery. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on other meds, do the responsible thing and ask a doctor instead of a random guy on the internet. Overall, NADH is a solid support for natural energy and mental clarity, and while it won't fix a messy lifestyle, it's a nice little boost for your brain. Thanks for watching.